I picked up this rainbow or pre-rainbow Rexair Model B vacuum motor. I just thought I'd take a quick video just so you could see what it looks like if you come across one of these things. I've never seen one with this dolly on it, and it's got the 2-quart basin. It works, so I'll let you hear it run. I'll take a look at it in case you've got one. It's got the switch back here. This is the exhaust. This is the intake. It didn't have any hoses or anything with it. Looks like it's got some kind of mechanism to clamp onto the hose if you get one. I'll turn it on, take it apart for you so you can see what it looks like. Here's the lid. Still gets decent suction. So it's got these clips that come apart. It's nice because this stands up on its own. Here's the basin. Basin comes off the dolly. Here's the dolly. Looks like that. And this has a gasket in there, which I'm sure is not easy to find if you don't have it. Here's the basin. It's all metal. The ones that we have now, newer models, are all plastic. So here's the motor. It's got a separator just like the D3 models, but I'll take it off of there for you so you can see a little spider looks like in there. Spins freely. I don't know if that's original, but it was on there nicely. Fun, you know. I've sold lots and lots of vacuums, rainbows, and it's just kind of cool to see these older ones still working. This one was made in Detroit. Lid comes off, so you can see down in the motor. I'm sure you could take off these screws and take that off to see the motor inside of there, the actual motor. As far as which way the lid goes on, I don't think it makes a difference. I tried it like this or like this. Didn't seem to affect the suction, but most of the time you'll have the suction here and then the exhaust up going the other direction, so I just put it on that way. So just goes back together with these little clamps. Reverse. Installation is reverse. It's that gasket. Sits on like this. And then let's do it this way. Just because when you have it on the dolly, see if we can do this so it doesn't come off of there. Let's turn it like this. I'm doing that because I want these. See that? I just want that to be on there. so that when you're moving it around, see how that doesn't, the dolly doesn't fall off because it's held on. It's got a nice long cord. Again, looks like that. Really nice shape. Still works. So that was a cool find. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.